Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TechFox and today I'm going to show you how to change your profile username on TikTok using a PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to TikTok.com. So I'm gonna open my browser and then I'm gonna type here TikTok.com and pressing on enter. And here you have to log in with your TikTok account. After then click on this profile icon and here you will see an option view profile. And now if you click on this edit profile, you will see an option to change your username. So normally here you can see that my username is ShohagFF225. So I'm gonna change it to Mr. TechFox 1. And here, if you see a check mark here, that means this username is available. After that, normally click on this save button to change your username. So I'm going to click on this save button and here you will see a pop-up that will say you can change your username once every 30 days. So if you are agree, then click on this confirm button and your username will be changed into it. So I'm going to click on this. And now you have to refresh the browser. And that's it. You can see that our username has been changed. So that's all about today's video. I think it will help you a lot. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.